In this video, I'll show you how to message a Facebook page as a visitor using the app. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap the search icon at the top of the screen and type the name of the page you want to contact. From the search results, tap the correct page to open it. Once the page opens, look for the message button near the top of the page. Tap the message button to start a conversation with the page. This will open the chat window where you can send a message directly to the page owner or their support team. Type your message in the text box and tap the send button to deliver it. After sending your message, you may receive a reply from the page if they respond to messages. Some pages also have automatic replies that provide quick information when you first send a message. If you don't see the message button, it may mean the page owner has turned off messaging for visitors. That's how you can message a Facebook page as a visitor using the app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.